this point, you're probably all thinking the same as what I'm thinking. You've gone too deep into the cave, which we all like to do. It's alright. So I started to try and retreat out of the cave, and I thought I was all sweet, and then I got to about here and it's just stopped, and I've lost complete control, and it started dragging the drone back into the back of the cave. I was just hoping it wasn't going to drop straight into the water, but she's just dropped there. And so at this stage I'm just trying to do anything that I can to get the drone back up off the ground. I've ran out right as far as I could so I could get a good clear look at it. Nothing. Tried to change a few settings in the safety settings, but nothing happened there. There's a couple of the warning alerts that come up as why it wouldn't want to take off. Tide's coming in, so I've started to freak. So I've ran up to the car, grabbed my surfboard, grabbed a backpack, threw in a waterproof rain jacket, and ran down to the edge of the cliff, jumped in the water, paddled into the cave to see if I could salvage the drone. Well, it was actually classic. The drone was still on, recording, which it said it wasn't on my phone. And my plan was to wrap it in the jacket, put it in the backpack, see if I could get out past the waves, up onto the rocks without getting it too wet. So 2 days ago, I lost the drone in that cave there behind me, and I seen how much rubbish there was in there, so I thought I'd come back, clean it up, take GoPro for a swim. Looks beautiful in there. Might be too much swell. So, hope you can see there's so much rubbish in here. There's no way I'll be able to get all of that. I've only got 2 bags, but look at the plastic bottles up there. See behind me, that took about 2 seconds to fill them bins up. There's still so much more rubbish here. I just can't get it all. Very disappointing. So, bomb set. Just come into the cave to clean it up, and it took me about 2 seconds. Fill these bins up with plastic. It's such a shame. Such a beautiful spot. There's still so much rubbish left there. I just can't get it all. It's a bummer.